So, hello, I'm Eric from AUDIOropa. It's a division of Humantechnik, a company based in Germany. We are here on the ISE already several years, and we want to present you our new system, the Xepton-NX. It's a quite complete system, FM system. We use the 863 MHz. So we have different solutions as intercom systems, conference systems, tour guide systems. So we have a complete range of a simple transmitter, a receiver where we can plug on headphones, or for people with hearing loss, some induction loop. We also have the TRX1, the Xepton range. This allows us to have conference systems with groups up to 100 persons in each group. Feel free to visit us next time in Barcelona, and visit our website on www.audioropa.com.